So over here, I am in the edit page of Davinci Resolve. And if I were to go around and click on different medias over here in media pool, then you notice that some of the layers are highlighted over here on the timeline just like this. So if I were to go around over here and click on this audio, you can see audio layer is highlighted over there just like that. So let me just go around over here and then bring this in out around over here. So let me just right click and click on insert selected clip. And what happens is that in the place where it was highlighted in the timeline, the audio is inserted right there. But what if I want to insert audio over here on the third layer? So in that case, let me just go around and then delete this. Let me just select audio 3 while the clip is selected, and I'm going to right click over here and I'm going to click on insert selected clip in timeline. And here you can see that now the audio is inserted on the selected track. So I can highlight and select the track where I want the clip to be inserted by default. So I'm just going to go around over here and delete it, and let's go around onto this video. And in case of this, you can see that video layer 1 is activated and audio layer 1 and 2 is activated over here. So for this, I'm going to select V1 right here just like this. So this is going to be where I want the video, and over here let me just go around and select A2 over here. So this is where the audio 1 is going to be and audio 2 is going to be. If I were to right click right here onto the clip attribute, I can see the audio and the videos right here just like this and know what is going to be imported. So I'm just going to go around over here onto this video, right click and click on insert selected clips on timeline. And you can see that depending on where I selected, so over here you can see that this is video 1, this is the second video right here, and according to that you can see that the video has been added out. Same goes for the audio right here, so it's on the first audio layer right here and the third audio layer just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can select tracks to keep videos and audio inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.